the getter, the setter, and now we need to get, we post it. Now we need to get the video. So here in the collection, I'm going to click and add a request. And this type, the request is a get. There's a post, and this new request is a get. So I'm going back to, it's actually here. You can go back and look here. See, for the get is also the same API ID right here. So I copy, sorry, /, and now we need to get the video. So I'm going to go here to the beginner one, and I'm going to copy this ID. So I'm going to copy this, Control C. I'm going to go to my new request here. See that I put a /, don't forget the /. And then now I am going to send. Great. So now that everything worked, because no errors in my code, I'm going, oh, here, I can put this up a little. So here you have some other user, authorization basic, owner ID. Here the audio is here. But what you really wanted to do is the result, because this is the source ID, but this is the result. So I'm going to go and either click, no, not click. Before I do this, I did it. This was easier to just copy. Come on, copy. And I'm going to put this in. Yeah. Okay, wait. It's always a problem with copy paste. Okay, so I'm copying, copy. No, doesn't want to copy. Hold on. Just going to put this in the bottom here. I had to take the double quotes. So I had to take the double quotes from this. Didn't want it to copy straight to the browser. Just going to copy. Go to a new tab. Paste it. Enter. And then I'm downloading here. I'm sure that is another click way that you can get this. I'm new to this, so even though it seems like if you practice like 1, 2, 3 times, you're good to go. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to, let's see what happens.
Welcome to Lecturus, the online learning platform dedicated to closing the digital divide. As a nonprofit charity, we're committed to making education accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. At Lecturus, we offer a wide array of technology courses.
Everything good so far. However, I think I needed to add a a male voice, and I had to troubleshoot that. So I'm going to change the avatar for this. So give me a second. All right. So I did a little bit of research here in the API to add actually, a voice, a male voice. So let's go and do this. Let's see if it works. So I actually added the Microsoft. So I put a comment after my input, and then I added this string provider, this variable provider, the type of Microsoft, the voice is this US male voice, and cheerful. So we're going to send. And here, let me put it up a little bit. I got an ID. So I'm going to copy this ID here. And I'm going to go to my get. And I'm going to change this one. That is what with a female voice to this one. And I'm going to send. All right, great. So before this, let's see, here. So I send it. Here is my output. And in the bottom here, I'm going to put this and put it in the notepad because I don't want to deal with copy paste. Let me put it in another one here. So I'm going to put it there, take that out. And once I paste in the browser, it's going to download. Let's see if it's this is better. So it's a working process. So now we're downloading the second one. And let's see if this is the correct one. Okay, so here we are. I'm kinda, oh, here it is. Let's see.
Welcome to Lecturus, the online learning platform dedicated to closing the digital divide. As a nonprofit charity, we're committed to making education accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. At Lecturus, we offer a wide array of technology courses, completely free of cost. We're also proud to provide internship opportunities to students across the globe. Join us and become part of a community that's transforming the landscape of education. Be a part of the change with Lecturus. Welcome to Lecturus, the online.
So that's it. So we did it. That's good. So I'll continue to do videos in changing the type of voices, and we're going to use add emotion and so forth.